Where this nigga at, man?
Yo!
What's good, son?
Shit, my son. What it do?
Hey,
Shit. Same shit, different day.
Take a different day.
I'm trying to get this money up.
Yeah, you already know.
Shit ain't easy out here.
Really hard out here for a pip, you know.
I got 6 bricks coming in
6 of them days,
on Tuesday.
6 of them days.
Yeah, so on Tuesday, right? When I get you them bricks though, you gonna need to give me something as collateral for real. I ain't just gonna front you the bricks and you just gonna leave off. I'm gonna need your ID, I need your social address, where your mother stay.
Yeah.
All of that.
All that shit, all that.
Yeah, straight like that, nigga.
Got that for you.
Yeah, I know. Oh shit, this was recording? Damn, what the fuck?
Oh, DEA and that shit.